So now children, I've constructed here a very simple electric circuit. Now an electric circuit, as you know, consists of a battery, which is a source of electric current. So the battery that I've drawn here is nothing but this. This is a battery. Now a battery has two terminals, a positive end and a negative end. So you have the positive terminal here and the negative terminal. Is that clear? So this is the positive and this is the negative. Now we are going to follow this particular diagram. Now from the positive terminal, a wire is connected to the bulb. So from this positive terminal here, we have a wire like this, which is connected to the bulb here. Can you see? Now, from the bulb, there is a wire connected to one end of the switch. From the bulb, there is a wire connected to one end of the switch. So you have the bulb here. So from the other end of the bulb, you have a wire like this, which is connected to one end of the switch. So this is that end. Then from the other end of the switch, one wire is connected to the negative terminal. So from the negative terminal, that wire is connected to the other end of the switch. So this is the way it is connected. So you have the positive terminal connected to the bulb, the other end of the bulb to the switch, other end of the switch to the negative terminal of the bulb. So all we are doing is we are following this particular ray diagram. Now we are going to keep the switch in the off position. So I'm going to remove this switch here and I'm going to put on the battery. Now when you put on the battery, you will see that the bulb does not glow. So I'm now going to put on the battery. Now the switch of the battery here is on, but you will see that the bulb does not glow because the key is in the off position. Is that clear? Now I am going to switch off this battery and now I am going to put on the key. I am going to put the switch in the on position. The key is now in the on position. I have plugged this in. Now it is in the on position and now I am going to put on the battery. And you will see now that the bulb begins to glow. So this is now a closed circuit. When you remove the key, immediately you will see that when I'm removing it, it just goes off. When I plug it in, it comes on. Can you see? So now the switch is in the off position. Now the switch is in the on position. Okay? So children, coming back to the theoretical part, remember that a circuit has a very simple source of electric current. In this case, we have a battery made up of two cells. A simple circuit consists of conducting wires. They are good conductors of electricity. They carry current. A simple circuit consists of a little bulb which glows when the switch is in the on position. The bulb does not glow when the switch is in the off position. And then you have a switch which controls the current. When the switch is in the off position, no current will flow, so the bulb will not glow. When the switch is in the on position, current will flow and the bulb will begin to glow. Is that clear to all of you? Now, the direction of current is always the direction in which the positive charges flow. So, at this end, which is positively charged, there are more number of positive charges. Here, there are less number of positive charges. So, positive charges will flow in this direction, from more to less. And negative charges which are more here will flow like this. Electrons, they are called. You'll learn this in higher classes. They flow from the negative terminal like this into the positive terminal. But conventionally in physics, the direction of current is taken to be the direction in which the positive charges flow. So with this, I have finished the first part of the lesson. So you have to know what is electric current. You have to know what is a simple source of electric current, what is a circuit, what is the difference between an open circuit and a closed circuit.